Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at another scalping strategy for the 5 minute time frame. You can always test it out and see which time frame it best works for you. So yeah, keep watching the video and definitely you learn something to use with your trading. It's a scalping strategy that I've been testing myself, and it has given me some really good results. That's why I am coming to you and sharing it with you guys, because as you know, everything that we do on this channel is basically for free for you guys. We don't charge anything from you. We don't ask you for money. We don't ask you for anything. So the only thing that you can do for us is to just like the video, so that we know the kind of content that you guys enjoy, and we know if you are appreciating what we are doing for you. So go ahead and just like the video. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the best for us. Subscribe. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. By what? By subscribing. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. For everything else, downloads, and of course for free, see the links in the description box below. The broker that I use, also many people always asking on the videos, see the links in the description box below. I've been with them for 5 years now. I've not had any problems with them regarding deposits and withdrawals, and they are an award-winning broker, and for just $5, that's one of the best offers they have. For just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can certainly then use to test your strategies, your robots, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, without risking too much of your capital, without putting too much of your money on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. Now, let's get back to our video. So, in this scalping strategy, we are only going to be using free indicators that are available on Tradingview, the platform. Tradingview is, I find it a very versatile and dynamic and a good chatting platform, and I always using it for my own analysis, and then I'll go and take my trades with my broker on my MetaTrader 4 or my MetaTrader 5. So we are going to use only free indicators that are provided on the platform, because again, what we do on this channel, everything is for free. We just focus on the free stuff. So what you want to do to set things up is to first of all go to your indicators. We go to indicators. The first indicator that we are going to be looking at is Forex global trend signal. We want to put this indicator onto our chart. As you can see, it has very few downloads, so very few people are actually aware of this tool. So you heard it from here. Go ahead and like the video. So we're just going to add that indicator to our chart. Then the second indicator that we are going to add is actually the MACD. The MACD, we are going to use it to be able to filter, our trades, and so we are just going to add our MACD there. Then we are going to add the third and last indicator, which is RSI trends. So we're going to choose this RSI trends by triple set crypto 123, and that will be our third indicator, and we are done. That's all that we need to do with the system. Now, as you can see, we are on the 5 minute time frame. Again, you can see if this system can work for you on the 15 minute or the 1 minute time frame. It's basically up to you. And on TradingView, you can also have other time frames like 3 minute, and you can even have in seconds on TradingView. So it's really up to you to find the balance with the scalping system, and discover what actually works for you. So now that we have done this, we don't really need to change anything. That's all that we need with this. If we just go here and we can check our trend signal is 14. That's all that we need it to be. Maybe below bar, let's just change color here and make it red there. Sorry, I want the buys to be blue and the cells to be red, so that we can be able to see them without thinking too much. Maybe I've done the color a little bit there, a little bit too much. Maybe let's leave it like that. Then we just close that. Then regarding the MACD, we are using the standard MACD settings, as well as these RSI trends. We're just using the standard. We are not touching anything there. Now for the rules. How are we going to be entering our trades? So what you're going to do is, on the time frame that you are on, you are going to first wait for the sell signal. You are going to wait for a sell signal, but when the sell signal appears, what we want is also it to be combined with a red bar, a red bearish candle like that. And on our MACD, we need another red bar as well. So here you can see what happened in this scenario. Then we'll definitely take our trades. Let's find a sell trade, short position. We'll certainly take our trade, and we are looking for a 1:1, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That's all that we are looking for. Where is our 1:1, 1:2? Let's maybe put it at 1:2, somewhere there, and let's just bring it there. So our take profit would have been hit with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Then we wait for another signal. For the buys, it's the same deal. For the buys, we wait for a buy signal, and we wait for a green candle, or whatever color you would have set for your buys on the candles. Then we also want a blue candle on the MACD. So in this instance, we would not have taken a buy here because our MACD is white. We want a buy on the blue candle on the MACD. So would have taken a trade, let's say there, and again we are looking for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 or 1:1, depending on the prevailing situation in our market. There's 1:2 there, and we are going to bring it over so that we just have a clean chart. So again, our take profit would have been what? Would have been hit in that scenario. There we had a sell signal, but the selling candle actually came late here, and we would have probably lost this trade if we'd entered a sell trade there. But that's just part of the trading game. That would be our loss there, and obviously here would have recovered from that loss, because we would have gone long position, a buy there. Then obviously we would have a tight stop, and we are looking for a 1:1 or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So it eventually got hit there. So one way of actually avoiding avoiding your stops getting hit in these scenarios, like I always tell people, is to always go with the higher time frame. Go with a higher time frame. So in a situation where the higher time frame, let's say the 1 hour or 4 hour, is buying, on this 5 minute time frame, we are only looking for buys. We are only looking for buys. We are not looking for any for sales. You can take the sales, but we are looking for buys, because the buys will be panning out more than the sales, because the overall trend is actually in a buying mood, in a buying move. Then when you see that the overall trend is bearish on the 1 hour, 4 hour, then obviously on the 5 minute you are only looking and searching for sell trades. You can try and do the buys, but usually they will not pan out, because the overall trend is bearish. So if you go with the bearish signals, you find that you have a better ratio of winning trades than going against the trend. So this is a system that I've been testing with good results, and definitely I urge you to go ahead and try it. The indicators are all free, so you are not paying for anything. So the indicators are all free, and test it out and see if it can also make you some money. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. Guys, I'll check you out in the next video. Bye.